We've already been through graphing linear functions. Now we want to take a look at writing them. And first we need to talk about remembering that slope, which we've talked about before. If you have 2 points like x1, y1, and x2, y2, the slope is your rise over your run, or your change in y over your change in x. Change implies subtraction. So that's where we get in here that slope formula is our second y value minus our first y value over our second x value minus our first. The question comes up every time I teach slope of can you do y, the first y minus the second y? As long as it's then the first x minus the second x to keep the signs the same, that is fine. So knowing that, if we look at our first couple of examples, needing to find the slope. Our first one, I'm going to look at this red line. I see that from here we go down 4, so that's symbolized by -4, and forward 3. So that means that the slope of our first line is -4 thirds. Looking at the blue line, and I knew that this red one was negative because it went downhill from left to right. This blue one, on the other hand, goes uphill from left to right. It goes, I'm looking at it from the right side. To make our lives a little bit easier, we'll actually take a look at it from the left side. From left to right, we go up 1, and we go forward 7. So that means that our second slope is +1/7. It's a very low grade slope, and 1/7 is a low fraction. Our green one then, we're going downhill again from left to right. It goes down 3, but forward 6. So this would be -3, 6, but remember we always want to simplify our slope, make it as easy on us as possible, which means this would be -1/2.